Oh, hello everybody, how are you? So, today I am going to show you different tools in Tux Paint. So, are you ready? I think so. You are ready. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start. So, first, let me introduce you with the Paint tool. So, with the Paint tool, you can dot different freehand shapes, okay? And different freehand shapes, and you can change the color also. And this penguin always helps you. Okay, this penguin always helps you. It says dark gray, some people spell it dark gray. So you can make different freehand drawings with different colors from paint tool, light gray and so on. White. But let me erase this. Now let me give you an introduction to stamp. So with this you can stamp different shapes of the penguin. Okay, like this. You can stamp any shape. You can make any shape. And with this, you can change the direction. This, I'll show you this one. It's now like this. I will click it here. Oh, sorry, look, it will be opposite from this sub feature. Okay. Now let me give you an introduction to the line tool. Okay. Okay. So with the line tool, you can make lines. Let me read black. You can make lines like this. You have to look, consider clicks to start a line. So I am making a line and just raise it. Raised. Right. So now let me give you an instruction using shapes. Oh, sorry. So using shapes in this tux paint is a bit difficult. Okay. So I'm first going to erase this. Where's the eraser? Where is the eraser? It is. It was the basis. Now let me tell you how to use shapes. So shapes is not very bit tricky because it's not like in paint like you can drag it like this. So you need to do now? Suppose I have to draw a mountain. So first let me draw a rectangle, filled rectangle with. Now this is filled rectangle. Just do it like this. Now this is the problem. So you have to start from the center and then drag it. Like, and do it like this. Like, you can rotate it, and then I have to draw a mountain here. So then I will take this. Let me take this one and just put the green color. So you have to. You need to get an idea. So to where to start, because the main concept is you are dragging it down, and the length from the down and the front is increasing. So that's not a feature in paint, but it's a little bit tricky. So that's why it's like it's you need to learn how to do it. Let me erase this now. Now let me go with the text tool. So these are the fonts. I'll show you with this one. This one is another language. Let me show you with this one. A. Now I'll tell you. It's getting bold, and look, it's now slanting. So this cannot be downloaded on Android and iOS. It can only be downloaded in Windows and iMacs. Okay. So I will do it caps lock. I will lock the caps lock key and write Apple, apple, and Windows. So you can hear that sound when it gets over. That's a feature that I like in Tux Paint. That's a feature that I really like in Tux Paint. I love that feature. And this, let me redo. Where's redo? It's been a long time since I have not used Tux Paint. That's why. So now, let me tell you the label. So with label, it's fine. It's okay. It's also equal, but it's as it should be. And but in label, you have this feature. You can do it like this. You can replace the label, like you replace the size of your name slip. As you place your name slip on your notebook, right? Like that, you can just click somewhere to, and the label will get there. Okay. Now let me introduce you with the fill tool. So let me make a shape. Now this is only for um, unfilled shapes, or you can also change the color of a line like this. And you can take this fill tool, red. It's said no, it's gone. Now I'll click here in the line, the circle, the small circle. Ah, yeah, look, yes or no? And I will click here to get filled, 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 filled. Right. So you can make this. Okay. Now I will give you an introduction to magic and eraser also. So in eraser, na, an eraser, you can do different things like you can erase, change the shape of the eraser. See this? It will show that it's square, but it will be erasing in a circular shape. I will show you. Let me just use the fill. Hmm. I'll go to eraser and like it's making circles, huh? So it's also good to make eyes. Huh? This feature is also good to make eyes. Like I'm gonna do like this, and then fill. It's a basic eyes, right? And but there is one problem with it. Okay, you can't make curved lines. So if you want to make a smile, it is freehand, and that is not good. I'll give you a glimpse of the magic tool in the next video. For now, bye bye.